Oh, stand up.
Too hard.
Stand up. All right, let's turn you around.
Turn it around. Turn it.
Or come down the hall, either one. Stand up.
Stand up now. Hold on.
Oh my gosh, look at you. Jonathan.
Can we turn him around?
This is up. I'm at a spot I can't.
Let me turn him around. Just turn it this way. There you go. Stand up.
Yay! Look at Mommy. Look. Yay! Good boy. Today's Friday the 13th. Yay! Grammy and I are going to go to the store and get you a new toy. Yay! You ready to do it again? Here, stand up. Stand up first. Stand up. Stand up. Jonathan, stand. There you go. Ready? He's wanting to push it. Woo! So that goes way too easily.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh. Okay, done.